What's going down? It's another episode of the Smoke Show. We are here in Boerne, Texas at my boy Alphagony's spot. We are doing the Texas Live Fire Meetup 2021, baby. We got tons of special guests here today, flown in from all over the country, California, Seattle, Michigan. Even Mel came down from Canada. Man, we got some crazy stuff going down. I'm gonna be doing some Meek Company tri-tips today. We got some whole hogs going down, cabritos. It's going down. Come check it out. All right, so we're just getting started for the day. We're getting the fires going, getting the Fogo hot and rolling. Got some burning some fresh coals down to mesquite wood. We got the cabritos, got the pig up and rolling. We got the chickens here on Alphagony's super cool Fuego grill. This is what I'm gonna be working with right here. Got it at that perfect level just for me. So I'm gonna throw down some Meek Company tri-tips right here. Probably put them on the asado grill. It's going down. Meetup, live fire, Texas, baby. All right, so we got two Meek Company. They're Angus breed, brand new from their brand. I'm gonna trim one fat cap off, leave one on, asado style. So when you look at this, see I got the fat cap on. So we got two sides. One got the fat cap. We're gonna peel this one off. All right, it's going down. Pitmaster Series. All right, we got one tri-tip, fat cap still on. We got one fully trimmed. So I'm gonna do the fully trimmed one, hit it with that Trooper Harbor rub. Love this rub. It's got great seasonings, great flavor, great herb aspect to it also. I've done one like this already. Honestly, I loved it. And then I'm gonna do this one the OG way, salt, pepper. You already know. Shout out to Meek Company with the best beef in Texas. All right, it's going down. We got one tri-tip asado style on the Alphagony grill. Let me show you what we're working with. We're gonna go fat side. Booyah. We're gonna let this one go for about 30 minutes. We're gonna pop the other one on right here. Hot and fast, see how they both turn out. All right, chopping up the cilantro. Already got the jalapeno and the cabbage all chopped up. I might throw one more half a jalapeno because it's a lot of cabbage going down. I also brought my pickled red onions that I did the other day for this. So we're just gonna chop up this cilantro, get it in the slaw. So it's chopped jalapeno, pickled red onions, cilantro, red wine vinegar, olive oil. It's going down. All right, so we got a whole hanger steak right here, sirloin flap they also call it, straight from Meek Company. This thing is huge. I'm gonna finish it up with just a little bit of salt. Already got our pepper and seasoning on there. Gonna throw it on this bad boy right here and get it fired up. We got the fat cap on this one. Look at that. Oh, man. This one's a little, but that thing is crazy juicy.
I've seen your show too. That's badass. How
Matt, sorry man, this one I would.
Oh no, man.
I did tri-tip 2 different ways. This way is salt and pepper, hot and fast. This way is asado style over the fire with the fat cap still on. So that means you got to eat 2 tacos. And then hold on here. Here's the this is a jalapeno pickle, red onion pickled slaw. Don't worry about that. There's plenty more.
You're on the smoke show.
Here we go, baby.
Get that bite in.
Here we go. Thank you.
So it's a pickled, red pickled onion, jalapeno slaw, a little bit of red wine vinegar.
It's excellent.
Is it Tito approved?
baby.
Tito's approved. That's what I'm talking about. Wrap here for the 2021 meetup open fire cooking. With all the homies here, man. We got Vic from Oregon. We got Ron from Florida. Come on in, Ron.
What's up, everybody?
We got Team Fogo here, baby. It don't get no better than that. Man, we had a blast. Ron cooked the best lobster I've ever had by far with some treaty oak, bourbon, butter. Stupid. I threw down with some Midland Meat Company, hanger and tri-tips. We got alligators.
We got some goddamn skewers. Look at this baby here.
The skewers.
Oh my God,
day.
super skewer.
Man, it don't get no better than this, y'all. Till next time, smoke game out, baby.
I wanna know